5 Ends of investing. Nasdaq is an online global marketplace for buying and trading securities, the world's first electronic exchange. Novate is to replace an old obligation with a new one. In contract law, a novation replaces one of the parties in a two-party agreement with a third party, with the agreement of all three parties. Network marketing is a business model that depends on person-to-person sales by independent representatives, often working from home. Beware of network marketing companies that create many tiers of salespeople or require you to purchase expensive products or training material up front. Thoroughly research the company before you join. Ninja. No income, no job, and no assets. Loan is a term describing a loan extended to a borrower who may have no ability to repay the loan. Naked option is created when the option writer, seller, does not currently own any, or enough, of the underlying security to meet their potential obligation. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy.